Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to enable the chat filtering on your League of Legends. So all you have to do is at first just launch your game through the right client. And as you launch your game, all you have to do is just stay at this home screen as I am. And as you're in the home screen, look at the right top corner for that setting option. And as you see it, just click it to open the setting please. And as you open this page, go on your left and select this chat and friends. And as you do that, you can see the first option, enable language filter. So all you have to do is just tick mark on this like this and click on done. Let me show you guys again. Just open your game and then go in the setting from the right top corner and select this chat and friends and click on this option, enable language filter, and click on the option done. So guys, that's how you enable the chat filtering on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.